Sister wives Kody and Robyn Brown spotted in Utah for court. Hello friends, welcome to the Daily Gossip News Update. I am Olivia and hope you are well by God's grace. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Although Sister Wives stars Kody and Robyn Brown reside in Flagstaff, Arizona full-time, they still have friends and family members back in Utah. They might visit from time to time. But were they in the state this week? Some viewers thought that might be the case since David Woolley has a pending child support case against Kody. But were they even there at all? It is true that David Woolley wants child support payments from her ex, Kody Brown. But did he and Robyn even attend the hearing in Utah? According to the Ashley's Reality Roundup, Kody and Christine's lawyers met virtually, meaning there was no reason for the pair to meet in person. The outlet reports that Kody and Christine are mandated to attend a mediation conference, but that won't happen until May 21, 2025. So why do Sister Wives fans think Kody and Robyn returned to Utah? At least one Reddit user seemed to think the Sister Wives stars were in Utah this week. Kody and Robyn in Utah. A Sister Wives viewer posted on Reddit. They attached a now-deleted photo of Kody and Robyn reportedly at a Walmart in St. George, Utah. Some thought it might indicate that the pair were back in Utah to deal with the hearing, regardless of whether or not the meeting was virtual. However, several Redditors pointed out that it was an old photo of the pair. One very telling element was that Kody and Robyn were dressed for warm weather in the image. Weather reports for the week indicate that it's been between 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit over the past several days in St. George. While it's a little warm for winter in Utah, few fans believed that so many Walmart patrons in the photo would be dressed in shorts and flip-flops. This picture was posted a while ago, and the court hearing was done online. St. George is over 4 hours away from where the court hearing took place. I think this is an old picture. I've seen it before. Shorts in December. Wasn't this last summer? I mean, the people have shorts on in this picture. I remember seeing this photo before. There's no current evidence to support Kody and Robyn traveled to Utah this week. A quick reverse image search reveals the photo is at least 6 months old. It popped up on Reddit during the summer of 2024, which easily explained the clothing. It's not immediately clear what the pair were doing in Utah over the summer. However, Season 20 is currently filming, so it's possible they were on a family trip. As of right now, there isn't any evidence to suggest that Kody and Robyn were in Utah this week. Kody Brown blackmailed Robyn's ex. It's been quite some time since Sister Wives fans have heard anything on screen about Robyn's ex, David Preston Jessup. However, many vividly remember how aggressively Kody Brown spoke about him while trying to get custody of the children. It's widely believed that Kody and Robyn both used nefarious tactics to get full custody of the children. Viewers think Kody Brown bullied Robyn's ex-husband. After 19 seasons on TLC, Sister Wives fans know how aggressively Kody Brown can behave when he feels threatened. In a recent Reddit post, viewers discussed the controversial adoption storyline. But how exactly did Kody convince David Jessup to give up custody of his children? Threatening Robyn's ex, a Sister Wives viewer posted online, attaching a screenshot of Kody and Robyn discussing the situation in a confessional. It's crazy Kody was willing to literally threaten a man he doesn't know on TV and fight that hard for kids that weren't even his. But he gave up so fast on his own biological children. I know this was a while ago, and he was actually considered a decent father at this time, so the kids probably didn't think much of it. But it still has to hurt knowing your dad fought harder for kids that weren't even his blood compared to his own children. If their biological father is not cooperative, I have no problem just raining down some fury, Kody says in the screenshot. The OP went on to question why Kody felt he so badly needed full custody of Dayton, Aurora, and Brianna. They also felt it was odd that David Jessup so readily gave up custody of his children. Also, it sucks he calls Robyn's children his kids, but refers to the others as Janelle's kids or Christine's kids. What's up with that? The OP concluded. Viewers believe blackmail was involved. Until members of the family confirm what specifically happened, it's largely speculation. But many Sister Wives viewers suspect that Dayton's ATV accident was to blame. David Jessup couldn't afford his share of the medical bills, so Kody and Robyn strong-armed him into giving up custody. They basically blackmailed him using the bill from Dayton's ATV accident, which was half the dad's responsibility to pay even though it happened on Kody's watch. They kind of backed the guy in a financial corner to forgive the child support if he signed them over. This whole thing baffled me, to be honest. In family court, this is frowned upon because it is generally considered abusive to alienate children from their biological father. I don't know the ins and outs of Robyn's first marriage, but I think it's disgusting that they used their television platform to posture like this. Where was this attitude for literally any of his biological children he actually brought into this world? I guess if it doesn't make him look good in Robyn's eyes, then he doesn't care. Sister Wives patriarch Kody Brown's body language suggests he's not as happy with remaining wife Robyn Brown as he says. Sister Wives patriarch Kody Brown's body language in recent episodes has suggested he's not as happy with Robyn Brown as he claims to be, making it clear he's not happy his exes have found their way without him. Throughout Sister Wives Season 19, Kody has been having a hard time adjusting to his new normal. While he was once in a plural marriage with 4 wives, he suffered 3 massive losses over the course of the last few years after Christine Brown, Janelle Brown, and Mary Brown all left the family for different levels of betrayal and difficulty with Kody. While Kody's trio of original marriages has come to an end, his marriage to Robyn is still going strong after a decade. But that doesn't always appear to be enough for Kody. While Kody and Robyn's behavior hasn't always been the best, it does seem like the pair have a genuine sense of affection for one another. The issues between them are vast, especially with Robyn consistently playing the victim when she and Kody are the villains of their own story. But the couple has been able to overcome a lot. Even so, Kody still doesn't seem satisfied with Robyn. Although Sister Wives Season 19 has been tough on Kody and Robyn, the pair have also been growing closer as they've gotten to know each other in this new phase of their lives. After seeing Kody feel a major sense of betrayal because of Christine, Janelle, and Mary choosing to leave him, Robyn has been able to come into her marriage with fresh eyes. Though she's been open about the fact that she can tell Kody's still hurt by the relationships ending in the way they did, Robyn's been more upfront about her connection to Kody without any barriers. As Kody has moved through Sister Wives Season 19 facing even more screen time with Robyn than usual, he's been saying that he's happy to be with his only remaining wife more than ever. While Kody's words send one message, his body language has been making it clear that he's not actually as happy as he says he is. Whenever he's with Robyn, the tension in Kody's body language is palpable. On top of that, he's been doing a lot of anxious fidgeting when he's on camera with Robyn, which could be another indicator he's struggling. While Kody's full of tension when he's with Robyn, when he's been with his ex-wives on camera, he's been a bit more comfortable. Whether that's because he's uncomfortable with Robyn or because he's very concerned with the public's perception of him remains to be seen. But Kody seems somewhat more relaxed away from Robyn than he does when he's around her. With Kody's body language giving off differing messages, Sister Wives viewers are confused about where he stands. As Kody has moved through the current season of Sister Wives, he's been doing his best to convince himself that he's happier without his ex-wives when his reality is a little more complicated. Kody was benefiting from the way things were when he was living with Robyn and minimally fostering his relationships with his ex-wives. While having them out of his life has freed up more time for Robyn, he's not as happy to have them out from under his thumb. The Sister Wives patriarch would have a lot easier of time if his ex-wives were in the picture. For years, Kody Brown of Sister Wives has been an outspoken supporter of living a polygamous lifestyle. The TLC star once claimed, "Love should be multiplied, not divided." But gone are the days when he felt safe embracing the idea of having 4 wives. In recent years, all but one have left him behind for greener pastures. So it doesn't come as a surprise that Kody wouldn't want his beloved daughters taking part in the taboo Mormon culture. During the most recent episode of Sister Wives, fans caught a conversation between Robyn Brown and her two daughters. When Robyn asked about their future, Aurora Brown confessed, "I don't have the same call to it that you and Dad do and did." Younger sister Brianna Brown, who is just 19, shared that she was unsure about her future husband too. Aurora added, "I have conflicting thoughts, but right now I don't think so. I'm not sure if I want to live that." It was obvious that both young adults have been affected by the huge change within the family. Last season, Aurora and Brianna revealed that they felt discarded by their siblings. Even though most of the Brown children have denied ending their relationship, it probably doesn't help that Robyn always seems to add her 2 cents, causing even more issues between the siblings. Robyn told the cameras, "What we've gone through in our family, as far as everything falling apart, I feel like it's more because of the individuals rather than plural marriage." Kody isn't oblivious to the fact that his older children are steering away from the idea of polygamy. Most of his children who are married, like Kody Brown, Gwen Brown, Aspen Brown, Logan Brown, and Maddie Brown, have made it clear that they would never have more than one spouse. During Christine Brown's wedding special, Kody noted that she believed polygamy is a terrible idea. The mother of 3 added, "Honestly, I loved having all of my siblings, my mom, my dad, but I don't think it was fair to my parents. None of them got what they needed out of a marriage." Janelle Brown's children also have strong opinions on the matter. Gabe Brown once noted, "I think that polygamy is a beautiful lifestyle for those that desire it, who believe in it, and want everything that comes with it. Personally, I don't think I'd ever be able to make it work." Kody didn't seem surprised by any of his children's answers. The patriarch took to his confessional to add, "I don't think any of my kids are going to live a plural marriage," he speculated. "I could possibly see it if one of my daughters wanted to marry a married man. I don't think the experience they've had with our family would make them want to do that." Kody looked solemn as he acknowledged the life he had once dreamed of didn't work out. He continued, "I really wouldn't care to have my daughters in plural marriage. I really don't think any of my sons are interested in plural marriage either. But it seems there still might be a chance with Robyn's brood." Brianna expressed a desire to start going back to church. She told her mom, "I want to start dating guys who kind of believe the same thing and have the same life goal as me. So I think that would probably be a good place to start. I can't kick the feeling that Robyn would probably be okay with one of her daughters walking the same dramatic path as she did." The only remaining wife of Kody told Sister Wives cameras, "If Brianna got a testimony and felt like plural marriage was her choice, and that's what she felt like was her path, I'd be like, okay. But if not, that's okay too. It's absolutely okay." For once, Kody spoke sense as he urged his children not to follow in his footsteps. "This might be the only time I agree with something that Kody has said. It's a holiday miracle." Sister Wives Christine Brown faces massive backlash for constantly comparing David Woolley and villain Kobe's weddings amid red flags. Christine Brown has annoyed some Sister Wives viewers by repeatedly comparing her new relationship with David Woolley to her past with Kody Brown. The Utah native was formerly a polygamous woman. She lived with Kody and his 3 wives, hoping that was what her faith demanded. Unfortunately, Christine struggled to find inner happiness despite her sacrifices. She felt alone and depressed because of Kody's lack of interest in her. In November 2021, Christine ended her polygamous relationship and resumed focusing on her happiness. She got into a relationship with David and married him within a year of meeting him. Christine has been comparing her fairy tale marriage to David to her unhealthy relationship with Kody for quite some time now. Many viewers have become annoyed by her behavior, feeling she is acting desperate to prove her new relationship is better. Recently, a Redditor Evans Home for Boys started a thread on Reddit, stating, "If I have to hear Christine say, 'When I got married to Kody one more time I will lose my mind.'" Hundreds of fans upvoted the Reddit thread and expressed their agreement. A Redditor, Nave Indication 2562, commented, "It is so cringe to talk about that in front of your new man." Just Saying 01 wrote, "It is so unhealthy to constantly compare your new relationship to your new one. Move on." It is reasonable for Christine to compare her previous relationship with Kody to her current marriage to David. She endured nearly 30 years in that relationship devoid of genuine love. Christine never felt like a true wife to Kody, as he only had eyes for his fourth wife, Robyn Brown. Now that Christine is in a fulfilling relationship with David, she can finally share with Sister Wives viewers the experiences she missed out on by staying with the wrong man. Her story has the potential to inspire others in similar situations who are involved with narcissistic partners. While Christine's relationship with David is displaying some red flags, it is understandable that she prefers it over her time with Kody. Christine is enjoying her new marriage because David treats her like a queen, caring for her and giving her his undivided attention, something Kody never did in their 30 years together. As of December 2024, Christine has only been married to David for a year, but it is completely logical for her to feel that it's a much better relationship than her 28-year polygamous marriage to Kody. Fans are justified in feeling irritated by Christine constantly comparing her new marriage to her old one. However, it's difficult to blame her for making those comparisons, considering what she has been through. Christine likely compares her relationship with David to her past with Kody because she's on TV. Perhaps producers ask her about it, prompting her to share her feelings during confessionals. While it may not be wise for Christine to discuss her past relationship in front of David, she probably knows that her husband will understand that it's only for sister wives and not because she misses Kody. Janelle says Mary began developing interest outside of the family after becoming an empty nester. Janelle Brown is opening up about the disconnect between her family and Mary Brown. Appearing on the Reality Life with Kate Casey podcast, the Sister Wives star was asked whether Mary had always been disconnected from the larger family, or if that was something that happened over time. "I mean, she and Robyn were always pretty close," Janelle shares. "I do think when Leon left the house, and she was an empty nester before we were, she started to develop a lot more interest outside of the family," she continues, referring to Mary's child Leon. "Because yeah, she had time. But I know she and Robyn were always pretty close to a lot of things," Janelle says of Mary's relationship with Kody Brown's only remaining wife, Robyn Brown. "So I don't know what she was separate. I mean, she and Kody have been estranged for many, many years." Christine Brown was the first of the sister wives to leave their plural marriage to Kody. A year later, in December 2022, Kody announced his separation from second wife Janelle. A month after that, the end of his union with Mary was confirmed in January after the pair's relationship had been platonic for years. Robyn is now his only remaining wife. On a recent episode of Sister Wives, Mary opened up about where she's at in her relationship with Kody. "I feel very peaceful about our situation," he doesn't. "Some of the things that he's saying are really, really, really mean," Mary told cameras of Kody. "He clearly has a lot of internal that he still needs to work on here." In their conversation, Kody told Mary, "Where we are now is I actually like you now." As she joked, "Gods be praised." Kody insisted, "Well, I didn't for 6 years at all." As Mary said she thinks it was more than that, adding, "Be honest with yourself." Robyn Brown can be vicious. TLC fans don't have any time for Kody Brown's last remaining wife. In fact, they believe she's the last one because she manipulated Kody against Christine, Mary, and Janelle. Actually, the old footage that got fans feeling raw revealed the probable truth of that. In particular, it made them think about who she was targeting. Robyn Brown is trying to rebrand herself in season 19. However, Sister Wives fans believe that she is making a mess of it. Underneath it all, they believe she was always a nasty person who wanted the other wives gone. Notably, TLC viewers have long memories and plenty of footage to refresh what they already saw play out. In the tell-all for season 17, Kody Brown was asked by Sukanya if Robyn was his favorite wife. He had plenty to say about Christine, Mary, and Janelle Brown, and none of it was very nice. However, the TLC star clammed up about his favorite. Next, it was the turn of Robyn to chat with the host of the Sister Wives show. What Robyn Brown said became the subject of plenty of articles and videos. In fact, you can watch one by blogger Topish on YouTube, further down in this story. Speaking about Rumpy Pumpy, Robyn claimed that there was a rejection of intimacy by the wives, bar herself. And she body-shamed them by talking about stretch marks and weight gain. Lots of people recalled watching the footage when it first appeared on the Sister Wives tell-all with Sukanya, and they are still totally disgusted with Robyn Brown. Here are some of their reactions. He rejected them. Sobin saying the part about stretch marks tells you who she really is. Excuse me, Robyn, but you've had 5 kids, and you do not have any stretch marks or weight gain? Think carefully before you answer. We have the receipts/tapes. Kody and Robyn are just vile. The revisionist history is so wild with these two. I wonder what fantasy land they're living in. I was totally done for her after this. It just proves who she is.